It's Naomi. We're in a local supermarket that has a large fish stall. Oh, let's have a look what they have for a new fabulous recipe. Oh, that looks nice. That looks nice too. Mussels. Oh yes. That will give me an idea for a nice fabulous recipe. And it will be vegetables and mussels cooked in coconut milk. Here are the ingredients of today's dish: mussels, ginger, cooking oil, fish sauce, garlic, okra, butternut squash, tomato, coconut milk, spinach, string beans, chili pepper, lemongrass, onion, aubergine, salt, and ground black pepper. Now let's start cooking by heating oil in the pan. Now the oil is hot, add the garlic, give it a stir until it turns golden brown. Now we can add the ginger, mix thoroughly. Smells lovely. Now we can add the onion. Give it a stir until it turns soft. Now the onion soft, add the tomato. Mix thoroughly. Just add the butternut squash. Give it a stir. Add the chili pepper and the lemongrass. Give it a stir. Now add the coconut milk. Mix thoroughly. Cover and bring it to boil. Now the coconut milk is boiling. Just add the string beans, aubergine, and okra. Mix it up. Wow, that looks lovely. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the mussels. Give it a stir. Add the fish sauce. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the spinach. Give it a stir. Add salt, pinch of salt, and pinch of ground black pepper. Give it a stir. Mix thoroughly. Smells lovely. Cover and simmer for 2 minutes. Wow! Ginataang tahong at gulay is now ready to serve and enjoy. Just remove the lemongrass. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Please subscribe to our channel. More recipe to follow. Thanks for watching. See you soon.